smoking reverse searing a $75 Wagyu Picanha Steak. Mistake or genius? We're gonna find out in this video. Look at the color. The color of this thing is amazing. This does not look like kind of beef you're gonna get at your local grocer. Partially because it's naturally raised and not grocery meat, but also partially because this is Wagyu. Alright, so I'm going to get some rub on this guy. I'm going to go twofold, so I'm going to start off with the gospel, a little bit of a coarser rub, and I'm going to finish up with the touch of this Kinder Steakhouse. So I'm putting this in the smoker around 225 to 250 for just an hour. It's all it's going to take to get up to about 120 degrees internal temperature, which is my target. After that, I'm going to give it a quick reverse sear on the grill and bring it up to 130 internal before giving it about a half an hour to rest. And just listen to that beautiful sizzle sound. Time to go ahead and slice it up and see how it came out. And to call this juicy would be a major understatement. Absolutely delicious, but here are my lessons learned for next time. Next time I'm going to pull it off the smoker a little earlier, probably around 110 degrees internal. That way it'll give the meat a little extra time on the grill to get a little reverse sear at the end. I got that reverse sear at the end, but not quite as much as I had wanted. Also, I intentionally didn't over-season this because I wanted to really taste the beef and the smoke flavor. And as much as I really enjoy that flavor, next time I'm going to top it off with something after I slice it with like a chimichurri sauce or something cool like that.